Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. In this video, I'm going to show you the deals that I grabbed at Walmart this week. After all is said and done, I got all of these items completely free and made just over $5 buying them. And I will walk you through step by step exactly how I did that here in just a second. But first, if you haven't had a chance to check out my Target and Whole Foods video from yesterday, you definitely want to check those out, especially if those are stores that you enjoy shopping at. There are some awesome deals to be had over at Target and Whole Foods this week. Also, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you hit that red button and subscribed to the channel. Let's get into the deals. All right, so first off, this is a new deal this week. This Murphy oil soap, this is priced at $3.48, and there are two different rebate apps that are giving cash back on this. Ibotta is giving $1 back, and Shopkick is giving back 600 kicks, which is equivalent to $2.40, making this just 8 cents total. So a great price for wood cleaner. If you don't already have the Ibotta app, please use my referral code and sign up so you can start earning cash back, as well as the Shopkick app. If you don't have that one yet, use my referral link. You will get extra kicks back and you can start earning these awesome deals. All right, the next item that I grabbed were the Poise Pads. This coupon reset on coupons.com, so I was able to print it again. These Poise Pads are priced at $4.84. After that $2 printable, you'll pay $2.84, but Shopkick is giving 1,000 kicks back, which is equivalent to $4, making this $1.16 moneymaker. Another great Shopkick deal is on the Goody Hair products. This has been going on for just over a week now, but I grabbed these Goody bobby pins. They're priced at $1.94, and then I grabbed the Ouchless hair bands. They're priced at 98 cents. So the total for both of them is $2.92. But Shopkick is giving back 800 kicks when you buy the bundle, which is equivalent to $3.20, making these both free plus a 28-cent moneymaker. There were a couple of deals on the medicine this week. So I grabbed the Delsum. This is the cough syrup. This was priced at $10.47 at my store. There is a $4 off printable coupon from coupons.com that you can use. And then Ibotta is giving $2 back on this product, but for some reason, when I scanned my receipt to Ibotta, it actually gave me two different $2 rebates. So I got $4 back from Ibotta. And then Shopkick is giving back 1,000 kicks, which is equivalent to $4, making this free and $1.53 moneymaker. The Afrin is another great moneymaker. So this Afrin right here, the 0.5 ounce, this one is priced at $4.98. Some of you may have gotten a $2 off coupon in the December 13th Smart Source. Ibotta is giving $2 back, and Shopkick is giving $4 back, making this a $3.02 moneymaker. I also am working toward a bonus on Ibotta, so I'm always looking for lower priced items. So I grabbed these Renews It cones again. These are priced at 97 cents, and when you buy two, Ibotta will give you 97 cents back. So it's essentially buy one, get one free. But because I've now purchased these twice, I got a 50-cent bonus from Ibotta as well, making them 47 cents for the two of them. It's a great price. Another awesome freebie from Shopkick are on these Suave Professionals. These are the cheapest ones that my Walmart carried. They're priced at $1.98 each. So you will pay $3.96 for buying a shampoo and a conditioner, but Shopkick will give you back 1,200 kicks for buying the shampoo and conditioner bundle, and that's equivalent to $4.80, making this an 84-cent moneymaker. If you don't use these products, it's still a great deal to grab and then donate to a nonprofit near you. The other freebie I grabbed was on the Suave body wash. These are the small ones, the 12 fluid ounce. They're priced at 97 cents, but we got a $1 off any Suave body wash coupon in the December 6th Retail Me Not. It does apply to this product, making it free and a 3-cent moneymaker. This one I have mentioned before, these Listerine Ultra Cleans. These are priced at $1.97. Ibotta is giving back $2 when you purchase it, making it free and a 3-cent moneymaker. And the limit is 3, so you could buy 3 and you would get $6 back. Another great new freebie is on these C by GE light bulbs. So in the light bulb aisle at my Walmart, these were all located together. And of course, I grabbed the least expensive one, priced at $7.88. And Shopkick is giving back 2,000 kicks, which is equivalent to $8, making this free and a 12-cent moneymaker. And you know how expensive light bulbs can get, so that's a great price on light bulbs. Another great freebie that I found this morning is on this Fairlife creamer. They're priced at $2.68. Ibotta is giving back $1.50 when you purchase one, and the Checkout 51 app is also giving back $1.50, making it free and a 32-cent moneymaker. These popsicles are a current freebie on the Fetch Rewards app. This one is expiring on the 17th of December, so you'll have to do this one quickly. But it's 100% points back on the Fetch Rewards app. These are priced at $4.47. I grabbed 2 of them. I just didn't put both of them out because I didn't want both of them melting. I used a $3 off 2 coupon from coupons.com that I had printed, but when I scanned my receipt to Fetch realized I had used a coupon, so gave me 100% back of what I paid, so it was not a moneymaker. So my advice would be to purchase the items, scan your receipt to Fetch Rewards, get the full amount back from Fetch Rewards, then scan your receipt to the coupons.com app, and you'll get that $3 back for purchasing 2 in your account. So that's a better deal. It makes it a moneymaker that way. But when I used the actual printed coupon from coupons.com, Fetch Rewards realized it and did not give me those dollars back. All right. Another great deal, especially if you like the Pure Leaf tea, it's priced at $1.97. Ibotta is giving $1 back, making it just 97 cents. So that's something good if you're having people over for the holidays. Who knows, maybe they'll like it. It's a good product for 97 cents. Why not? I also grabbed this again. I'm always looking for these salads. This one is the honey chipotle. They marked it down because it's getting close to the Best Buy date. So it was marked down to $1.89, but Ibotta is giving $1.50 back, making this just 39 cents. And I'll be honest with you, I don't use the honey chipotle salad dressing or the guacamole that's in there. I just throw the salad, the cabbage, the kale, the carrots. I just throw the veggies in a bowl with my own salad dressing, and I love being able to have a big old salad for 39 cents. The other offer I grabbed was on this Sara Lee keto bread. This is priced at $2.68. Ibotta is giving back 65 cents, and Shopkick is giving back $2.10. That is both for this bread in particular, and then I had an any bread offer as well. So that makes it free plus a 7-cent moneymaker. I don't typically eat white bread, But my son likes this bread. It is really soft, so it got good reviews from my kiddo. And it was free, so that's awesome. All right, I think that was everything. So awesome deals over at Walmart this week. If you are finding deals that I didn't get, please let me know down in the comment section below. I am always posting deals to my Instagram, Save with Christina, as well as my Facebook page, Saving with Christina, when I find them. So if a new Walmart offer pops up, that's where I will post it first before I get it out on video with YouTube. If y'all have any questions, please let me know. Hope you're having a great week. Thanks.